Hi guys, today we will discuss a very important, amazing, interesting WhatsApp feature, schedule call. How to schedule a WhatsApp call, video call or audio call in your WhatsApp app. Open WhatsApp app and here at the bottom of this page you will find your call. Tap on call app and here you will find the option schedule. Under call settings, tap on schedule. A new page will open. Here you can easily change your meeting schedule name as per your choice, as per your requirement. Choose a name such as meeting with someone, and now we will choose a starts time and ends time. You may leave not include end times, turn the toggle button off, and you can also edit a start and end button. Call type video or audio, choose here, and if you want to set a reminder, then you can also choose a reminder, never 1 day before, 1 hour before, and 15 minutes before. And you can also change the start or end date. Simply change from here, simply choose a date, and finally tap on edit next from the top right corner and choose a contact name which you want to schedule a meeting, schedule a video or audio call. A message regarding your call name will be sent to your recipient, and he has option to edit event or add to calendar. Now we will see how to remove or edit a schedule call. Simply go to call and upcoming event, tap on this event, and here you can see all your event details. Simply tap on edit from the top right corner. If you want to edit or delete schedule call, then tap on edit from the top right corner, and here at the bottom of the page you will find cancel event. Simply tap on cancel event and your schedule call, video call or audio call scheduled earlier will be removed, deleted or cancelled.